at Bally's in room 1133. And this is a king suite, I believe. I had a little bit of debacle when I first checked in with a very dirty room. And the manager was quite nice to reach out to me, and I went down and he took care of me. So when you walk in, of course, a full-length mirror, hello. And as you walk in, this is the room. So there's a very big screen TV right here. Oh, look, it's Kevin Bacon. And here is your dresser drawers. Much better than the other room, I will say that. There is a refrigerator right here, which is nice. Put your beverages in there. Big desk. Charging ports right there. Another big mirror. Very nice. Little seating area right here. Okay. Nightstand, of course, with charging ports again. And drawers for storage if you need to do that. Nice big bed. Bench. Another little end table. And then you come over here. This is crazy to me. Look at this tub. This is insane. I will be in there tonight. Now I want to add another night because I want to stay here some more. So over here is your closet area. There's a thing for your luggage. Hangers, of course. Safe right there. Walk this way. And here is a sink. I wish I was staying here with someone else or my children. It would be great. But it's just me for one night. So here is your sink area and of course your toiletries. Over here is a lovely makeup area. That is great lighting. Okay, and here is this crazy shower. So you can walk in on either side. And there is a bench and lots of room for activities, if you know what I mean. Again, the crazy tub. And I think I'll be taking a bubble bath tonight and maybe live streaming from the bubble bath. Maybe I can get my girlfriends to jump in there with me. Then another counter. Look at all this counter room. I can't even. And all these towels. Oh my goodness. And of course the other side of the shower. And here is the toilet area, which is in a separate area, which is very nice, and some artwork so you can look at it while you're doing your business in there. And overall, this is a beautiful room. I was able to get it comped because the first room I was in had questionable stains, very dirty counters, and this is pristine. So this is a room tour of Bally's King Suite. If you liked this video and found it informative, please thumbs it up, subscribe, and until next time, goodbye.